It's 7:45. We're gonna check out the door for the first time opening up. This is.
Here, I'll take it.
Here, wait. I want to move back. I want to get the door. This is what's coming inside the house from the wind. Please.
Oh. I was gonna say because you got to see the side of the house.
I know. I'll let you take it out. So we got the snow gauge up. So we're at 6. We're about 6 inches so far. And it's like really gearing up. It's just dead outside.
And it's supposed to go for another 12 hours.
We're just getting started, and we're at 6 inches at 7 o'clock. So yeah, we got another 12 inches. So or 12 hours. So Natalie's gonna take it outside and show you some out there.
So here's the drift next to the house. And there's the highway. Notice no little cars going by. Yeah, take that down because I'm going to kill somebody if it stays up there. And you can't feel this in your face, but it is blowing like crazy. And here's Ben's first blizzard! Yes, it is!
It's my first blizzard of the century.
Okay, it's 9:17. It's about 2 hours later. And now we're getting, after knocking it down, that's how much we have this time around. And no, the windows are closed for those of you who want to be silly and ask. And Natalie's going to hold the door open.
Gee, thanks.
And we're going to...
Oh,
okay, so
no, we're not.
Hang on a second. Okay, so we're here. So let's open it up and see what happens.
We're not going to be able to find my car tomorrow. That's what's going to happen.
Holy moly.
Let's go for a drive.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Man, it's cold.
Okay, Natalie's only in a t-shirt. We're going inside now.
Hang on. I'm in a sweater because I'm not foolish.
Oh, get hot in here.
Look at that. They're literally, I'm sitting by the window looking out, and we have the freeway up above. That's the upper set of lights. And we're on the frontage road. We have not seen a single vehicle drive by. Well, yes, there was. The plow came by once.
I've been by more than that. But...
So that's the only vehicle that's been out. So people are not being stupid. People, don't be stupid. All right, so we are at
movie number 2.
we're on movie number 2. And we've been watching really cultural things like Princess Bride and Men in Tights, and now we're on Rocky Horror, and we are at about 7 inches. So more later. Shutting the door. All right, so what happened on the way here?
I got pulled over-ish by a state trooper, hits the lights, and looks at me, and he just goes, "What the hell are you doing driving?" It'll work, dude. Sorry, Dunkin' Donuts kick you out?
So what are you guys, are you guys going out then?
It's anybody's game right now. Matt's got no power, and he's asleep, so I have to go start the big truck because the block heater that's supposed to be plugged in isn't. And I don't want a truxicle at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, well, take care of yourself. So how is it outside?
Abysmal.
How long did it take you to get here?
Half an hour.
From?
My house, 3 miles. Here, come outside. Take a look at the wonderful day.
Here, how about if you take my camera?
Oh no, come on, it's fun outside.
Oh, take the thing of the door here.
Yeah.
I've
Yep.
been measuring it through there.
Oh my
Yep.
goodness.
Welcome to Chicago. I'm the only idiot on the road, by the way. Yeah. 2 feet of snow, 3 feet of snow. There's the boss man's truck. Here's some of Natalie's car. Okay. Lock the door so nobody steals it because thieves are running amok. That's where 53 kind of is. Plodding through the snow again. And back inside.
Thank you, Joseph.
Uh-huh.
The purse looks great.
I know.
Let's see the whole outfit. Yes. The purse, the shoes, the dog. You're beautiful.
I know, I gotta have it all.